If you are approached by a police officer, there's many different ways that they can approach you. If you are stopped or pulled over by a police officer, there is some information that they are entitled to. Again, generally your license, maybe your registration. At the O'Mara Law Group, we suggest that you get an attorney on the phone as soon as possible. It's not common knowledge, but you do not have to speak to a police officer beyond that basic information. Police officers are also allowed to suggest to you that they have more information regarding any stop or illegal activity that they may not in fact have to get a response from you. We suggest that once you've given them your basic information, you generally don't go any further. If you feel like you need to discuss anything further with the police officer or law enforcement who stopped you or pulled you over, or shown up at your house, we do suggest that you contact an attorney immediately. If a police officer knocks on your door, the general inclination is always to give them more information than you may have to. At the O'Mara Law Group, we get plenty of calls with people with police or law enforcement at their front door wanting to know what they should do. We always tell people to be respectful. Perhaps ask if they have a search warrant. They are not entitled to come into your home without a search warrant. If you let them in voluntarily, they can come in your house and they can look around and see what's in plain sight. We suggest to get an attorney on the phone immediately if law enforcement is at your door. The O'Mara Law Group. Again, we get calls like that all the time, and we can keep you informed throughout the entire situation. We can let you know what your rights are. We can let you know where the police officer is allowed to be. We can let you know what information you need to convey to them to minimize your damage in that exact situation and any situation should it go any further than just a knock on the door.